night. Hi, Doobop.
Oh, hi, Doobie.
Oh, Doobop, what's wrong with your face?
Oh, I couldn't sleep at all last night.
Why?
I was thinking about something. Look at this, December 25th. So many circles on December 25th. And I don't remember why I marked them.
I know what day December 25th is.
Really? What day is it?
It's a birthday.
Really? It's your birthday?
No, not mine.
Then whose birthday is it?
Wait. Look at me. Can you think of it now?
No.
Oh, look at this cloth.
Oh, that cloth? Then... Yeah! I am the flying monster! A flying super monster! A Superman!
Not Superman. Look carefully.
A dancer? Hula hula? Hula hula?
Doobop, December 25th is Christmas!
Oh, right. It was Christmas. Aw, how can you forget, Doobop? But what's the cloth to do with Christmas? Huh?
Doobop, don't you know what Christmas is?
It's the day after Santa Claus brings us presents.
Well, Doobop is right, too.
Santa Claus!
Shall I tell you the story of Christmas? Mr. Jukebox, will you help me?
Yes.
Okay. A long time ago, on a silent, holy night...
Kids English School.
Kidstalk.